I would lose 2, 3, 4 hours a day, 10 hours a week from work, searching and looking for wind. So at that point in time, I said, I've got to come up with a system that simply is going to call me the minute it gets windy. So the feathers don't get ruffled? They all sit directly into right there, we've already got a page from one of my locations where it's blowing. This will keep them from having to search for the wind, to make phone calls, to go to the beach and sit there and get skunked. Well, every single day we sell another unit, 2, 3, 4, 5 a day. As we've been around for 2 years now, and not one single person has relinquished their service because they didn't like it. We've had a few people move out of the state, but once you've got it, you're hooked.
As soon as it started paging, I left during my prep period at school and came down here to go sailing.
And no matter where I am in the county and what I'm doing and what time of day, I know exactly what's going on, and then I can say, well, gosh, I got ready to go to the lumber yard, and I can come down here and sail.